How to make the header icons bold in Shopify. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the header icons bold in your Shopify store. Whether you're customizing your theme for better visibility or just want a sharper look for your site, this quick tutorial will walk you through the simple steps to bold those icons. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, open up the website of your Shopify web store. Today, let's focus on making those important header icons truly stand out in your Shopify store. Whether it's the cart, login, or search icons, these are critical for user interaction. So enhancing their visibility by making them bold can greatly improve both the aesthetics and the overall user experience. Let me walk you through how to do just that. For example, if you look at the top of a typical Shopify store, you'll often see small header icons like the cart and account login. These icons are usually subtle, but we want to make them pop a bit more to make sure they grab the customer's attention and improve navigation. Now, I'm going to show you two different methods to make these header icons bold. The first method is by using your theme's built-in settings. Some Shopify themes come with built-in customization options that allow you to adjust the appearance of header elements, including font weight and icon styles. To check if your theme supports this, here's what you need to do. Go to your Shopify admin dashboard. Click on Online Store and then choose Themes. Under your current theme, click on the Customize button. Once you're inside the theme editor, look for the section labeled Header or Navigation Bar on the left panel. Click on it to see the available customization options. Then scroll down to check under Theme Settings for font weight, text styles, or icon options. If your theme supports it, you might see an option to change the font weight to bold or to adjust the icon styling. But in this particular example I'm working with, the theme doesn't offer any direct options to bold the header icons. The only settings available include things like logo position, menu type, colors, utilities, spacing, padding, and other layout settings, but no specific font weight or icon styling options. So unfortunately, this theme doesn't provide that level of control out of the box. But don't worry, we still have a second method that gives us full control over the design, and that involves using custom CSS. Before we move into that, I'll just go ahead and save the current settings here, and then we'll proceed to the more flexible method. Once you've exited the theme customizer, let's move on to the second method, using custom code. This method gives you more control over the appearance of your header icons, and don't worry, it's super simple to follow. Dashboard. Instead of clicking on Customize, this time we're going to edit the theme's code. From the Themes section, click on the three dots next to your theme and choose Edit Code. Once inside, you'll see several folders. It can look overwhelming, but don't worry. Just collapse all the folders to keep things tidy and easy to navigate. Now, we're looking for a file where we can paste our custom CSS. In the Assets folder, search for a file named something like base.css or theme.css. Just type base into the search bar, and you should see base.css appear under the Assets folder. This is where most of the styling happens, so it's the perfect place for our code. Click on base.css, then scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the file. You'll usually see the end of the schema or the last few style rules here once you scroll down to the bottom of it. Now here, one thing you have to do is copy the same code that I typed right here on the screen for my Shopify header bold function. Once the code is added, click Save at the top right. Now let's test if it's working. Click the Preview Store button to see your changes live. You should now notice that the header icons, like the cart or login, look much bolder and more prominent. This improvement comes from the CSS code we added, which increases the stroke width or font weight depending on how the icons are styled. If you'd like, you can tweak the stroke width value in the code to make the bold effect even stronger or more subtle, whatever fits your store's design. And that's it. Your header icons should now stand out beautifully, helping guide users toward those key interactive elements. All right, now let's go back and reload the page. As you can see, the changes have taken effect. The header icons are now bold and much more visually noticeable. It really does make a difference. Of course, I'll still test the entire website thoroughly, but at first glance, this method works perfectly, which helps emphasize their importance for the customer experience. Making your header icons bold enhances visibility and draws attention to key interactive elements like the cart and login. And that's exactly what we want, to guide our visitors toward actions that matter most. Just a quick reminder, It's always important to test your changes across different devices and browsers to make sure your icons display properly. For it, go to your Shopify main dashboard. And here, head towards the online store and then themes. Once you head over here and you want to check that how it looks on both the web page and mobile device. For that, click on the Customize button. On the right side, you will see the icons of the different screens such as mobile or web page. Based on this example, the code we used performs well on both desktop and mobile views, so we're good to go. So once everything looks right, hit save, close the code editor, and that's it. And there you have it, guys. Making your header icons bold is a quick and effective way to boost usability and enhance the visual appeal of your Shopify store. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up to support the channel. And if you have any other tips or styling questions about Shopify headers, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.